Hi, I'm Bambi Robinson. I'm from Punta Gorda, Florida. I came over here for full mouth restoration. I wanted that perfect smile. I did a big Google search on dental tourism. I read a lot of reviews, and I phoned in and talked to the patient coordinator, who is Francesca, and absolutely awesome. I chose 4 different doctors, but I came to Dr. Garita because not only did he go to the University of Miami, and I'm a Florida girl, but he really represented himself well, and everybody, there's not one person out there that says anything bad about him. So I thought that was great. That's awesome. That's exactly what I want. I really love the fact that they would pick me up from the airport, and transportation was provided, and they helped me get the hotels that I needed that were close. Just putting it all together was absolutely amazing and easy for me. And reading the fact that everybody really just loves this office, it was really cool. So I came in February to have my first appointment with Dr. Garita. I wanted my whole mouth restored, so we had a nice long discussion on how long it's going to take and what I needed to do. Obviously, I'm going to have to come back because to do implants, you have to place them first, and then you have to let them heal. So it was a 2-visit treatment, and ended up really well. February went really good. I healed actually pretty quick, I think. Dr. Garita was absolutely awesome the whole time, was worried about everything that I was worried about, so that was wonderful. I mean, anything I wanted to fix or I didn't want to do, or he was just absolutely wonderful with it all. Whatever I wanted was what was going to happen, and I'm really happy with that too. Obviously, COVID had stopped some of us from actually doing some things, but they're super safe here. I mean, everybody's got their masks on, hand sanitizers everywhere. They've got front door protocols where only one person's allowed in at a time. It's really clean. The safety protocols are above and beyond, and you wouldn't be able to get anything better in the United States at all. I mean, it's really, really amazing. So it's a little longer of a process. I had to, but I got to have a little bit of a vacation with it, so that was kind of cool. We had to work with the lab on getting the size, shape, colors, everything that I wanted, specifically to me too, what I felt more comfortable with, which was great. And then I ended up with this beautiful smile. And everything went beautifully. I actually had Dr. Garita, and then I also had Dr. Garita's daughter, Dr. Garita. Yes, from the University of Michigan. Right, and I am madly in love with that too, just saying. I obviously recommend absolutely coming down here and getting all your dental work done. It's completely worth it. You can totally have a vacation too.